Hello, this is Sharon Naraine, and guess what? Oh my goodness, grocery shopping. See that? It's grocery shopping, folks. You know, this is what hobby. Oh, my boxes. Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, you can drop it here. Thank you very much. See, welcome. Have a good day, doll. You can tell my boxes. Oh, let me see. It's dropping off again. Look, I have two boxes there, and it all went its own way. So, folks, here's the deal. You can tell it's not my style to do shopping here over at BJ's, right? Hubby normally does this. Oh my goodness, but he's over at, and I am going crazy with these boxes here. Look at that. This is crazy. And he's over getting dialysis done. Whilst I said, okay, let me go pick some stuff up. Hi. So embarrassing. I even have no clue what to do. You see that I'm like a hot mess. Exactly. Now, where's my key? Oh my gosh. Folks, do you see how important it is, having a home-based business? Oh, let's see which side. Having a home-based business, folks. It's so important. What's wrong with the truck? Wouldn't open now. Oh my God, look at that. So there you got it, folks, See, I got all these boxes here. And what the boxes does, because BJ's, they don't have. And look at my shopping. Oh yeah, my decaf coffee. See that? My decaf coffee, and oh, a nice piece of salmon here. $22.38. See this salmon? What it says, Atlantic salmon fillet. It's fillet. I have croissant, I have oil, I have bread. What is this? Spinach antioch bites. A little bit snack here, there. So, folks, this is my life right now until my husband gets back on track. Okay, please pray that he gets back on track, because this I have. It's not my kind of style doing grocery shopping. It's really not. See this? A lot of people doing grocery shopping, but it is not my style. So, folks, check me out. I'm gonna drop my link as to what I'm doing as far as home-based business. I'm gonna drop my link, so definitely you wanna make sure you click on my link. Make sure you check me out, on Facebook. Reach out to me. Definitely you can reach me also, 352-805-9846, and that's 352-805-9846. And I'm gonna put the link of what I'm doing, okay? You can also go to fastcashwithsharon.com, and as well as you can go to createwealthwithsharon.com. Until then, this is Sharon Naraine. Please hit the bell, as well as click on my subscribe to my YouTube channel. Take care, folks. Again, shopping. Peace out. Bye for now.